Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Massive storm to target central United States with blizzard conditions. A substantial flip-flop in the weather pattern will allow a major storm to unfold smack dab in the middle of the United States this weekend and persist into the early next week. The storm's variety of the adverse weather conditions could lead to a multitude of travel problems and will pose some risk to lives and property from the Rockies to the Great Plains, AccuWeather meteorologists said. Everything from strong, dry winds to severe thunderstorms capable of producing heavy rains, hail, and even tornadoes will erupt in the southeastern zone of the developing storm, where the warmer air will be in place. However, on the storm's northwestern flank, the combination of plunging temperatures, heavy snow, and gusty winds may produce localized blizzard conditions. A strong warming trend will accelerate well ahead of the developing storm over the plains and Midwest into the weekend, and in the wake of abnormally cold weather that made it feel like a winter this week. The temperature rise of 50 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit will occur over the matter of the few days. The strongest winds will develop as colder air from the northwest begins to catch up with the warmth from the southeast states to portions of the central and southern plains by Sunday and Sunday night. The same clash of warm and cold air combined with the surging moisture from the Gulf of Mexico and a strong jet stream overhead will trigger severe thunderstorms from the portions of the central plains to the upper Midwest late Sunday afternoon to Sunday night. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.